Hi and welcome to my day 11 of my December daily. I have this picture of my son at a white elephant Christmas party for a bunch of 8-year-old boys. Isn't that fun of my girlfriend to do that? And I decided, since it's only day 11, and look at how chunky my book is already. So I'm gonna make this a very flat layout. So I want to use one of these 3x4 journaling cards from Felicity Jane. It's a mixture of the Noel kit and the Cozy kit. And I just want to journal the story about how my girlfriend made Christmas so special for these 8-year-old boys. Okay, I can journal on there. I can journal on there. Okay, I decided I'm going to write on here. I do want to use one of these stickers because I haven't used these yet and it's already day 11. I think I'm going to use that Christmas right in the middle of the table there. And I want to add some other embellishments. I know I like to do threes, but this feels too crowded. I have all these photo corners that came in the Felicity Jane kit that I haven't used. So I want to go ahead and add some of these. I think I'm going to use the green ones. Oh, I'm supposed to just glue these on. Okay, so let me get 4 of these. What if I hang something like this with the... I forgot about these stickers too. Nope, I'm not going to use these. I'm going to use my red Stays On ink. It's the Blazing Red. And I'm just going to stamp Holiday on this because I have so much green going on right there. Ah, I smudged it. Okay, let's try that again. I got to find another tag now. Oh, my chubby fingers don't want to let it work. Okay, better luck this time. There we go. This is also from the December Daily 2015. She has so many words on there, it's awesome. So I think I'm just gonna do this, and let me go ahead and adhere some of this down. I want to pop dot it, but I don't want too many more layers to make it too puffy. Okay, so let me go ahead and do my journaling while I'm thinking about it. Okay, so with this, I want to use, let's see, still have all this thread. Maybe I'll use a little bit of this red, or this red. Okay, I'm gonna thread it through this red. And then I'm gonna punch a little hole right here. Ooh, this may be too big. Actually, it'll be all right because it's gonna be hidden. So I just punched a hole right there, and I'm gonna put this in as well. Then I just wanna tie a little knot. If my chubby fingers will start working. Let's see, I wanted to add this Christmas. Ooh, I gotta nail down these, not nail down, adhere down these photo corners. And then I wanna put this Christmas right in the middle. This eye on top. Eye dot. There we go. Now, do I want to add anything else? I think I'm just going to staple this on here. And I'm just adding this stapler for a little texture. Okay, so there you have it. That's my day. Ooh, I forgot to put 11 on here somewhere. Can't find number 11. So go to plan B. I think I'm just gonna add 11 right there. Or I can add 11 right there. Nope, I'm gonna add it right there. Okay, there you have it, my day 11. Welcome to day 12. The story for today's December daily is the story of how my girlfriends took me to lunch, or brunch I should say, in celebration of my birthday, which was 2 months ago. That's how hard it was for us to get together. We had to cancel a few times because I drive my kids to school and it's a little ways, and so when it rains there are a bunch of accidents, and so we had to cancel twice. But I'm so grateful for them because they still wanted to celebrate my birthday. So I'm gonna do this on the back of day 11, and I'm gonna make this simple again because my book is so chunky. I want to go ahead and put this in here, and here, you know, probably in here, and then I want to use my journaling. I decided to check through the Liz Tamanaha 3x8 kit. I'm going to cut something down and do my journaling on there. Okay, so these are the cards I can do my journaling on. This one says go out with my friends, so I could do that, or journal on the to see or happy heart. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one, the December wish list. I'm going to go ahead and journal on there. So I want to put a little something on the, I'm going to use a star from Felicity chain, I think. Or is that too big? Okay, I'm going to put that little enamel dot on there. Okay, so that's going to be my go out with friends. I don't like having these people in the background, but I'm probably just going to have to accept it for what it is. I'm going to put that joy right there. This is from the Allie Edwards and Liz Tamanaha kit. Actually, I think this may be just Allie Edwards kit. And then these are the chipboards that came separately from Allie Edwards. Oh, I can cover one of them up. Treasuring this. Love this life of mine. And then one more. Ah, they're all falling out. I'm going to put December memories. Okay. I think I'm just going to put those down right there. I'm going to put the treasuring this down first. I need tweezers. I just need to put the number 12 somewhere. I don't know where my numbers. That's a little bit too big. Well, maybe I should have put it there. Okay, taking this off and putting the 12 there. I'm using the Scotch Quick Dry adhesive. I'm going to make sure it covers where my staple holes were. And then I think I'm going to put the joy right here. Probably won't be right where the staples were, but I'm okay with that. Well, I'm gonna have to be okay with that, I should say. I struggled with getting the staples out of these, but now I'm gonna just go ahead and staple it down here. This one didn't go through. Oh, something's wrong with my stapler. Okay, I'm just gonna press this through. Nope, that's not gonna work either. Something's wrong with my stapler. Okay, third time's a charm, right? Okay, there we go. Okay, I feel like I need one more something or other here. I'm gonna put this hot cocoa right there, or coffee. I'm gonna call it coffee because that's my favorite thing. And then I'm gonna call this done. This is how it's gonna look in my album. This was my day 10. This will be my 11, and this will be 12. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.